Oh. People, heights is not cute, yeah? I see that. Whoa! Oh, beautiful. People, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I am up at the crack of dawn. It is 5:57 a.m., which means I had to wake up from 4 something to get ready. We're going on a trip. Beach. Pusna. Beach at them. So you don't know, vlog. Me here still wait, you see it? Alright. So far, I'll link up with Robbie and join them in a cheaper city. Then we're gonna drive, go somewhere. It's gonna be fun. Yay! Yo, to home early. Not even a convenience station open, my day. Japanese summer essentials. Boom. Bacardi sweet. Korewa nondara. Idaro sa. Idaro. So I'm not coming for work today now. I'm gonna say, well, which bag me I carry? Oh, start to carry bag, dog. So me I go nice and lengthy. Like a daddy long leg spider. So the dog will cook bread in them and bake. And bake chicken wings and him something. That trouble. Like a church trip, man. If you don't know, you know. If you don't know them, you know what to tell them, isn't it? Alright, so when I never see this, let me tell you, me tell them nothing, tell them that, see? Boop, boop. Eat! Go and eat! Run down the yellow car there! Run him down! I only pick here, my lad! Go and eat! Pusnat! El Ferrarino! Rasorsorra! それはね、ちょっとやばくないこの画角を続けるからさ。どうやってからさ。Oh, heat, hayaka. I'm trying to find these people. I'm in Ali my mask. How many people are there? Hey! Look at y'all! Woo! Hey! Hey! What's up? Hi! Whoa! They just really walk past me. Friends just walk past me. Let me tell you something. People, let me tell you something. I never feel so ashamed in my life. Imagine, me wake up from 3:30 a.m., you know, to come meet them people, yeah, and them come across me. But the me never have energy for me, Andre Cunningham. People outside, I will not go back in. Not go back in. What about my mask? Them there go on the mask. Oh shh. That's a mad one over this. Out here, this is beautiful, right? This is what we do. This is what we do. I'm afraid of heights, alright? So amazing! It's clean. Oh yeah. People, what do you know about water? What do you know about bed? What do you know about bluish waters? Cause it did, you know. It looked like it could have passed which part is Jamaica now? So that's Palisades. What do you mean that's how it looks in Jamaica? What do you mean? Huh? Palisades. It looks like Palisades. You never say Palisades, you don't get the joke. Out here. People vibes. Just vibes. So, who that? Joe. Hailing from Kisarazu, you know the sweeps. Oh, this Sanga always there. I don't know that one. Oh God, what's that on my face? It's called face thingy.
His sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Who gonna use shower, dog? Who gonna want shower? Who want shower?
People were in the ocean.
Man, nah, got
Bottles and
mugs.
Yeah.
Dirt bunks, Jenna. What you did?
I'm too bougie right now.
You bougie. What you eat? What you heat?
Don't worry about it.
I mustn't worry about what you're eating. Alright, I'm trying. Girl, just tell me in the morning video. Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about a thing. Watch clean. Watch clean. The hairstylist. Watch clean. Locks for days. Locks for days, mother heifer. Hours? Months, years. Yeah, man, who that custom cup? Custom! But not. Drinking wine because she don't drink rum in Japan because her tolerance is
Zero.
No, she drink them all the time, but her thing shell out right now.
I'm not gonna be
Door.
the wine today.
Big up yourself.
Mix?
Yo, Robbie, what you doing? Say something for the youth. Say something for the youth.
Don't do drugs.
You'll have to.
Wow, Robbie.
Stay in school.
Wow. I like that girl right there. So that one, yeah.
We're starting to having nightmares right now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but this is the life. What more do you want? Rum, beach, and women. Look at this, friends. Rochelle, show me beer vibes.
You're not even showing me, bro.
Look at
Why?
that.
You're not even showing me.
I must post you, love man.
Yes, we friends.
Yeah, but you're in the video.
No. All right, you can take it off now. Not enough.
Yo, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's up with me. So my SpongeBob socks here, guys, the cutest socks right now, a street.
You had that socks on all morning.
Yeah, man, but
This man go take off his socks.
yo, the socks bossy. It's my friend there.
Man,
You see the angles, watch the angles, man. Bad person. And then watch the Morgan, she Morgan more Jamaican than enough people out there. Morgan have the dirt buns, dirty bunk, stuck in the mud, my dead, out and frisky. We out here in Shizuoka, one beach name. What the beach name? What the beach name? Sugar. Sotoda. You man, shut up so we can lie down. Thanks.
I think you're comfy where you are.
No, I'm not as comfortable as I would be right here.
Do you guys agree? He's comfortable where he is.
Guys, vote now. Alright, I'm at Sotoda Beach. I'm out here in Shizuoka. Walking on the water. It's amazing. Nice, look at vibes, isn't it? People out here having fun. Where's the state of emergency? It's not here. Not here.
Hey guys, this is Chris and welcome back to Pickles the Guy James YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the link. That's not what you said.
You don't want him to leave this video.
No, sorry. I mean, click the like button, share, subscribe, tell a friend, another friend, another friend, cause you know, so I think that we support people around here. Cool.
Yo, you see, bad people, bad mind. I'm talking about bad mind people, see? About bad mind people. Sometimes in life you can't get there quickly. You have to get there slowly, you know? And appreciate the scenery. Bars and shade of forest. Modi sun. This is called sun. It's not madness. Alright, a clean off time. Sun come off a foot. Brand new sun off a foot. Brand new sun off a foot. Puss not.